Welcome back to the Wildfire video tutorial series. This is part 2 of the two-part video showing you many of the functions of the rich text editor. Let's get started. You may insert an anchor point anywhere on the page. This is an invisible marker that is used to jump to that place on the page by clicking on an anchor link. Place your mouse cursor inside the editing box where you wish to insert an anchor point. Click on this icon. The task box Anchor Properties opens. Enter a unique name for the anchor point. Click on the button OK at the bottom right of the task box. The anchor point will be marked inside the rich text editor by a small red flag, but it will not appear on the published page. You may create a variety of hyperlinks on the page. Write a line of text or insert an image which you will use for the hyperlink. Highlight the line of text or click on the image to select it. Click on this icon. The task box Link opens. The text selected will appear in the space under Display Text. Use the drop-down menu Link Type to choose the type of link. Internal Path links to another page on your website. URL links to another website. Link to anchor in the text links to a previously created anchor point on the same page. Email creates a link to send mail to a specified email address. Depending on the link type selected, the entry field below it will require distinct information. Internal path. Begin typing the title of the page on your website to which you wish to create the link. A list of your pages will appear. Select the one desired in the appropriate navigation language. URL. Enter the URL of the website to which you wish to link. Link to anchor in the text. Click on the drop-down menu labeled By Anchor Name and select from the list of previously created anchor points. Email. Enter the desired email address. If you are creating a link to a file, such as a PDF, you do not need to choose a link type. Instead, click on the button Browse Server. A pop-up box will show you the Files directory for your website. Choose the desired file for the link and double-click on it. You will return to the Link task box, and a path to the file will now show in the field URL. If you are creating a link to an external website, click on the tab Target to specify where the link opens. The recommended option is New Window, blank. For anchor links and for internal links to other pages on this website or to media items, you do not need to specify the target. The default, not set, which functions as same window, is the recommended option. Click on the button OK at the bottom right of the task box. The selected link text inside the rich text editor will now appear in a different color. Images made into links will not look different, but the mouse cursor will change to a link icon when hovering over such an image. You may change the page layout from single column to multiple columns. Place the mouse cursor at the line where you wish to change the page layout. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu displays several options for column layout. Click on one of the options. Faint lines appear in the text editor box outlining the columns. Click within an outlined box to write text, insert images, and add media items, just as you would on a single-column page layout. You may change column layouts several times on the same page. Click below the column outline to return to single column or full width layout. You may insert a media player for audio files from Faith Comes by Hearing, or FCBH. Place the mouse cursor where you wish to insert the audio player. Click on this icon. The task box FCBH Audio Player Properties opens. To select an FCBH volume, or set of audio files, in a specific language, click on the drop-down list titled Select. The drop-down list is preloaded with all of the volumes available from Faith Comes by Hearing in the navigation languages of the website. Click on one of the volumes to select it. You may also add a player for a language that is not one of the navigation languages of the website. In the drop-down list, click on the line that reads, Search for your language. In the new blank space that appears, write the 3-letter code or the name of the language you desire. If volumes are available from FCBH in that language, they will appear in a list. Click on one of the volumes to select it. The task box now displays the volume you selected. Click on the button OK at the lower right of the task box. The web page now displays a special audio player with the full contents of the volume selected. You may navigate through the contents of the volume by clicking on the book name and chapter number. It is strongly recommended that you write a few simple instructions on the web page about using the media player. Ideally, these should be located directly above the media player. Here is an example. To listen to the New Testament in language name, click on the arrowhead in the audio player below. To select a different book of the Bible, click on the name Matthew to open the full list of available books. Scroll down to navigate this list and click on the book and chapter desired. Always remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page editing screen and click on one of the Save buttons. This is the end of this segment of the Wildfire video tutorial series.